G'day folks, a while back I installed the Legendex turboback exhaust system with muffler on my 2015 N70 Hilux and decided I wanted more coup, so I've opted to go for the Legendex Berserker pipe instead. In this video I'll show the installation of the muffler delete and give a rough sound comparison of the Legendex system with and without the muffler. Let's get into it. First you must unbolt the old pipe with the muffler on it. There are two at the front and two at the back. Next you spend all of eternity trying to pry the rubber exhaust hangers off. Old mate Toyota knew one day a bogan would want a muffler delete their Hilux, so decided that not one, not two, but three of these suckers should suffice. This part requires patience, bigger and bigger screwdrivers, and swearing and cursing until eventually you have a win. It's now you realise that you need to pry them off the exhaust itself, which for some reason you magically forget the trick to between being under the car and now. Of course, if you were smart, unlike me, you'd probably just buy new ones of these so you don't have to do this part. But once again, I found that perseverance and swearing and cursing does the trick. Eventually, now comes the easy part, putting the rubber hangers on the new pipe, which for some reason is precisely 1032.4 times easier to put on than they are to come off. Now you line your new pipe up under the car, attaching the rubber hangers and then rebolting the two ends of the pipe with appropriate exhaust gaskets. And Bob's your uncle. Now your Hilux should sound like a pigeon stuck inside a didgeridoo.